Hello everybody and welcome to this first episode of the Prot'Cast. Today we are going to look together at the basics for understanding milk proteins. For that, I'm joined by Léa Mayer, application specialist at Ingredia. Welcome Léa, how are you?
Fine, and you?
Very good, thank you Léa. First question, can you explain to us what is a milk protein?
A protein is a biological molecule found in all living things. It is one of the three macronutrients that, like carbohydrates and fats, are essential for our bodies to function properly. They are the main constituent of our body. They are made up of a chain of many different amino acids. There are 20, classified as essential and non-essential. Essential amino acids cannot be produced by the body and must therefore come from our food. Non-essential amino acids, on the other hand, can be produced by the body but do not have to come from food. The order of the amino acid determines the function of the protein in the body.
And why is it so essential to our bodies?
Proteins have different roles in our body. They make up our muscle, hair, nails, skin, and red blood cells. The vast majority of hormones are proteins, so they play a messenger role in the body. They are also involved in digestion, since the enzymes that break down ingested food into nutrients that can be absorbed are proteins. The transport of oxygen in the blood also depends on proteins. Their role in human defense is vital, since antibodies are proteins. Proteins are therefore involved in the vast majority of physiological functions in the human body. A healthy adult needs to consume 1 gram of proteins per kilogram, which is provided by a normal, balanced diet. However, in certain cases, additional requirements may arise, athletes, the elderly, etc. There are different sources of protein, plant-based food such as cereals and pulse, and animal-based foods such as meat, fish, and milk.
And how do milk proteins differ from other protein sources?
Milk proteins are so-called complete animal proteins because they contain all the essential amino acids unlike plant proteins. It is true that different types of plant proteins need to be combined to obtain all the essential amino acids and enable our cells to function optimally. For example, only one essential amino acid, lysine, is found in cereals, while methionine and cysteine are found in legumes. Plants also contain anti-nutritional factors such as phytates, which limit the digestibility of proteins. These molecules are not found in animal proteins, so they have an excellent digestibility rate, much better than that of plant proteins, whose digestibility rate is lower and varies according to the food consumed. If we compare meat and milk proteins, the latter are more easily digested and better absorbed. However, it is a complete protein compared to meat protein, so we won't have an amino acid deficiency if we reach 1 gram per kilogram eating only milk.
Thank you Léa for your time.
Thanks to you, bye!
We hope you know more about milk proteins now. Click on the link in the description to find out more about our range of proteins for the nutrition market adapted to your different needs. Thanks for listening to us and see you next time for another episode of the podcast.